opacity like this, like from the top it has visible, and as we go from top to bottom, so its opacity is decreasing with the when this component is reaching to the bottom container, it's losing its opacity. So let's see what is how it's working in here. Okay, so let's try a different approach here. Let's remove this background color from here. Okay, so let's try a different approach from here. So here I will use draw. Graphic layer actually, and make this alpha to 0.99 f, and draw with content. Here I will set the colors to color of, actually list of, and call draw content, draw a rectangle, and set the brush to brush vertical. Vertical gradient, and put these colors here, and blend mode. Blend mode to destination out. So this is how we can put the gradient here, but this is not as expected as per design, so let's modify it. Let's make it 80. Okay, so let's revert it back to 99, because actually it's applying the alpha to the whole element as not the way which we are expecting here. So destination out, it will be applied like from the top, it's transparent, and gradually it's applying this white color here. So for that, to make this according to our design, I will add some transparent colors in that. So it will make this like this section is transparent, then this section is transparent, then this section is transparent. So we are increasing the quantity of transparent colors in this list. So this way we can achieve the design which we are expecting, which is showing in our Figma design here. So now I think that's it, it's showing as per design. Let's remove this color from a transparent color from here, then our nearby will be applied the opacity as we are expecting in our design. Okay, so now it is according to the design which we have in our Figma design. So okay, so the next thing is we need to make these bottom container top left and top right corner should be rounded. So for that I will go to the bottom container, modifier, background color, and here I will set the shape to rounded corner shape. In that I will set top start to 24 dp and top right, actually top end to 24 dp. Okay, I think I need to increase it. Let's make it 40. Okay, so now it's looking as per our design. So let's run it on a physical device, as my device is already connected here. So let's run it. So our app is running here and our design is perfectly showing here according to our requirements. Let's put some fixed margin on this image on top, so it would be shown according to the design which we have here. Okay, so on top I will make it 16 dp. And run it on our device. Okay, so now it's perfectly showing us here as per our design. So okay, everything is back in place. There is some of the spacing here, but hopefully you can understand how to put any kind of spaces between the components. So yeah, this is it. So this is how you can make a little bit tricky, or maybe for as a beginner it's some multiple components are we are using in a same screen, which is an onboarding screen. So yeah, so in this video we will only make this onboarding screen here. So the code is also, the completed code of this lecture is also available on GitHub. If you are not able to do any of few things according to the video, so you can review that code too. So this is it for this lecture. See you next time. Bye.